Hey there, and welcome to this video on how to make money with Content Gorilla 2.0 AI. If you're a content creator or marketer, you know how important it is to produce high-quality content consistently. But creating content can be time-consuming and expensive. That's where Content Gorilla 2.0 AI comes in. This tool uses artificial intelligence to create unique and high-quality content in a matter of minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI to make money. What is Content Gorilla 2.0 AI? Before we dive into how you can make money with Content Gorilla 2.0 AI, let's quickly go over what it is. Content Gorilla 2.0 AI is a content creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to create unique and high-quality content in a matter of minutes. With this tool, you can create blog posts, articles, social media posts, and more. And the best part is, you don't need to have any writing skills or experience to use it. How to use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI? Now that you know what Content Gorilla 2.0 AI is, let's go over how to use it. First, you'll need to create an account and log in. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, where you can start creating content. You have the option to either create new content or import content from a URL. You can also choose from different templates, depending on the type of content you want to create. Once you've selected your template, you can start customizing your content. Content Gorilla 2.0 AI allows you to add images, videos, and links to your content, which makes it more engaging and interesting for your audience. And the best part is, you can do all of this without any writing skills. How to make money with Content Gorilla 2.0 AI? Now that you know how to use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI, let's talk about how you can make money with it. There are a few ways you can do this. Sell content creation services. You can use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI to create high-quality content for other people or businesses. You can charge a fee for your services and use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI to create the content quickly and easily. Create affiliate content. You can use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI to create content around affiliate products or services. By creating informative and engaging content, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and earn a commission on any sales. Create sponsored content. You can also use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI to create sponsored content for brands or businesses. By creating high-quality content that aligns with their brand or product, you can earn money for your services. And there you have it. That's how you can use Content Gorilla 2.0 AI to make money. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or freelancer, this tool can help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. So give it a try and see how it can benefit you and your business. Use our link in the first pinned comment below to get a special discount. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.